Hi friends, welcome to Taste with Us. Today we are going to make delicious ragi malt. Ragi has tons of nutrients such as calcium, phosphorus, iron and much more. If you include ragi frequently in your diet, your health will improve. Let's see how to make this delicious ragi malt. In a pan, add 300 ml of water, salt, 2 tablespoons of ragi powder. Make sure there are no lumps. Mix well. Keep the flame on low. Stir continuously. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. When the ragi is fully cooked, it will change to a dark color. If you don't cook the ragi in a proper way, it will cause you indigestion. When the ragi is fully cooked, add half cup of milk. Mix well. Cook for 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered jaggery. Let it cook for a minute. Garnish with chopped almonds. Delicious ragi malt is ready. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.